The information where would they get, where they fly for all social media right now, and I be say Nigeria government, their request make they carry Simon Ekpa come back to Nigeria. Say the Finland government don't reject am. Say Nigeria no get good judiciary system wey be say they fit protect person wey dey seek for justice. Say no dey for Nigeria o, according to wetin we dey get, wey dey for all social media right now. They say Simon Ekpa will not be bring to Nigeria, that they are going to do everything in Finland. My people, they say that some group of men wey call themselves security for Anambra State don't come outside, come send the message. They give Simon Ekpa. He said that they are ready to fight the Biafra Liberation Armies. As that one they happen, as it be like this now, one Biafra government in Ezra fans waiting for Abuja don't still come outside, they can't talk so many things. The reason why Nigeria they jubilate is because they don't want the Igbos to go. If the Igbos leave them, they are not going to stand as a country. I'm going to bring the video of waiting this our brother talk, go show now before we jump to other news.
And why do you think they are jubilating? They are jubilating because they don't want to lose Igbos. They are jubilating because of useless hypocrisy they have found themselves in for many years. Because if you don't love somebody, if he says he will go, you will be very happy. You will be celebrating his exit or exodus from your enclavement. But these people, you don't love them, you don't want them to go, are you mad? The only madman go, they do that kind of thing. You are celebrating because Biafra is not going, but you don't give them chance. You are all midgets. You are all midgets, you are all psychophants. If you don't want me, leave me to go. If you want me to stay, you allow me have access to what you have access. If you allow me to stay, you won't make me the last class. We'll become among the first class to do our things. So all those midgets are haters. The midgets are haters. They have passion to hate Igbo, yet they don't want Igbo to stay. See, let me tell you, they are haters. They embrace Igbo with hostilities, and it is now playing on them.
As this one they go, let us also watch this video for you to see that is like these people will not succeed to bring Simon Ekpa come Nigeria.
I speak as a professional, and secondly, I speak as a Nigerian, nothing more, nothing less. Professionally speaking, the Finnish authorities have done their due diligence and they have reasonable grounds to arrest Mr. Simon Ekpa. And in that arrest, they followed due diligence to now charge him based on the information we are getting. Obviously, we still have a lot of work to do for clarifications, to authenticate all these informations. Now, with that due diligence done, it's now meant for the law court in Finland to now look into the request by the Chief of Defense Staff to extradite Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. Professionally speaking, the chances are possible to extradite Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. However, in my opinion, it's almost impossible, though it's not 100% impossible, because one, there is no extradition treaty between Finland and Nigeria. Number two, the Finnish authorities have every right to take him to court to answer to the charges against him, and that is perfect, that is due diligence. And afterwards, don't forget the CJEU, the Criminal Justice of the European Union, also have a right under the European human rights to also test if he's suitable to be extradited to Nigeria based on one, the charges against him, and number two, the fundamentals, because he has to defend himself in a court of law. You cannot just bring charges without him answering in response to the reasons why he's inciting violence, to the fundamentals why he thinks there's a reason for him to request for self-determination for the people of Biafra. The Criminal Court of Justice of the European Union has to check if they believe in self-determination. They have to check if they believe in human rights abuses, because bringing that man to Nigeria is a great idea, but I'm not sure that the Chief of Defense Staff should go home and relax and sleep, because they have to consider the human rights records in Nigeria as a country. Obviously, we are all Nigerians. We know our human rights records. There is nothing to boast about. And in instances like people that have disappeared in Nigeria, off my head, Daddy Yatta is still being looked for. Nobody has seen him for years. The people that participated in the so-called NSAS protest, many of them, after the panel, no human rights justice for them. The people that were involved in the End Bad Governance protest, no human rights for them. Even last week, we saw the human abuse of a couple by an army general. Up to today, we are still hearing. Or about politicians who believe they can buy the justice system in Nigeria. Or politicians who believe they can buy vehicles, build houses for justices. So obviously, we have to understand that Simon Ekpa has to answer to his charges against him. I think that's due diligence to do, and I support that. However, we have to also ask ourselves, can the Finnish authorities, if they want to copy what we do in Nigeria, example, Simon Ekpa is a politician in Finland today. He joined politics in 2017 and is a member of the National Coalition Party, the ruling party in Finland today. They won their national elections in February this year, and they have a president of the country. Simon Ekpa also served the country as an army officer. Now, if you look at these human rights records in Nigeria, what Nigerian politicians have done about justice in Nigeria, do you think the National Coalition Party of Finland will feel comfortable to extradite Simon Ekpa to Nigeria based on zero extraditory treaty between Nigeria and Finland and based on human rights of Nigeria in general? So I think the right thing has been done. Okay. But in conclusion, sir, I think Nigeria also has the copy from Finland to know that due diligence matters. Due diligence space, not where people can buy justice.
As that one they happen, I want us to also to watch this video and hear what the security men waiting for Anambra talk concerning Simon Ekpa.
Onwe one for Southeast Ogburu, onwe onye kidnap, onwe onye rere property nya, onwe onye orepuru nwunye ya, onwe onye gburu n'ime ọhịa, onwe onye nara nwunye ya. But now, n'ime ọhịa, ụmụ anyị nwunye anyị nne anyị nna anyị juru n'ime ọhịa. Ụmụazị anyị ada agụ akwụkwọ. Onwezi ndị na-aga n'ụzọ. Simon Ekpa, you must pay for the blood. But I'm warning you, don't allow these people, any of them, batara Anambra, onwu abara ịdịghị n'isi. Anambra State, when it's security, we are a peaceful state. We don't need your help. We don't need your help in Anambra State. Anambra State is a peaceful state. That is the only state Anambra Christmas in the Southeast. I was not wicked. Stop killing people. Stop killing people. If you are talking of Biafra, you could low down. Not by killing your brothers, your sisters, your friends, and our mothers and our fathers, our children. That's not the way of achieving the freedom. No, we say no to that. Please, Simon Ekpa, repent now before it's too late. Repent now before it's too late. Stop killing our people. I warn you. Their blood is upon your head. Our men don't want any more here. It's not an actual Biafra. Simon Ekpa can do again. They go like in their family. So, what question? That paper EJ that and then I the struggle. They go like in their family. That paper one. If my and then and a busebo, dim mado, one mado, and then mado. If what away anymore here. If my can be more one or here. So, Otaka is of Biafra. Anambra State, wouldn't be the Biafra. Not this way. Give one about. It isn't no there. Ibusi them mother. I have to go big. Ibusi you to kneel on Anambra State. Leko Moine Agari, Dihanosi. You have killed all their husbands and their wives.
Are the ones who are protecting Ifeanyi Ubah burial. If I'm not mistaken, this is Ifeanyi Ubah's security men. Now them be this. However, now so it take the happen and I will say more bring up. Stay tuned for more updates. and share the video give others so that they go get the information and know how it dey happen. But the question I have to ask these security men, them I hope they are watching also, is that up till now Fulani herdsmen still dey carry our people for inside bush. Why have you guys not go and confront those Fulani people wey dey our land dey kpai our people? Why are you so interested in each other? Biafra Liberation Army are interested in you people are interested on them. Why we have our enemy in our land? So may you people use this strength. Na beg I dey beg go fight all those Funanis wey dey for bush. Fight them so that they no go dey buy our women, buy our mama. Look at what happened in Enugu. I'm going to do that video, bring it up for you people to see how they buy people everywhere. Like I said they before, where we have all those men wey carry different color full for Igbo land. We dey use them, they fight ourselves. No be juju be that. Now mumu be that one. I bet more share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot.